Welcome back to Pascalini Productions. My name is Pasco, and today we are looking at a JDC with a broken tilt belt. Symptoms of a busted tilt belt are obvious. When the fixture has power, there will be no tension to the head, and the head will move freely. First, we need to get the side plate free from the base of the fixture. We can also remove the 4 screws that hold the tilt motor to the plate. We can then remove the 3 screws connecting the side plate to the timing gear. Lastly, we will remove the tilt belt protection plate. This allows us to pull the side plate away from the fixture and expose our busted tilt belt. The replacement belt is an OptiBelt 393M. Place the new belt over the timing gear as well as the tilt motor and get a rough alignment of the tilt bearing screw holes. First, I will get the tilt motor bracket reconnected to the side plate. Next, I'll replace the tilt belt protection plate. I will then reconnect the timing gear to the side plate. Finally, I will reconnect the side plate to the base of the fixture. Now I'm ready to power up my fixture and check my work. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe.